Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I created this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. I also used some items from my BoxyCharm from the month of April because I hadn't had a chance to play with them, so I did that today. So if you want to learn how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, earlier I was wearing makeup and I just wiped it off and I just kept my brows on because today is my mom's birthday and we went out to have breakfast with her. But I'm gonna apply concealer on both of my eyelids and I'm just gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. I'm gonna be grabbing this brush by Morphe and I'm gonna use this palette that came in my BoxyCharm last month. It was called it's from Pure Cosmetics. It's called Festival. This is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna be taking this color right here and I'm just gonna pack it all on my crease. I want to do it before the concealer dries out because I really want it to stick to the concealer. Okay, I'm satisfied with how it looks. Now I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm just gonna drag that color kind of above the other color I used. I kind of wanted more orange on here, so I'm going to grab my 35B palette. You know, I think I'm going to grab the yellow one and just drag it right there. Maybe I'll mix some orange as well. I'm going to go back to this palette right here and I'm going to be taking this color right here and it is called All Night, just to deepen my crease. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with how the outer part looks. So now I'm just going to carve out my eye with some concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use this, but I'm not going to use the actual product. All I'm going to do is use the brush that it comes with. And I'm going to use the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'm just going to dip this brush into the concealer and I'm going to start carving my eye out. Once I get to this little outer spot, I just like to blend it with my finger. So in last month's BoxyCharm, we got these brushes and I'm going to be using this one today. It's just a flat shader brush from Luxie Brushes. I really do like the brushes. They're always really cute and they work fine. My son's outside. Okay, from my Morphe palette, I'm going to be grabbing the white color right here. And I'm going to put it on the first part of my eye. I don't really have shader brushes, so I'm really happy that they sent brushes. I always like when they send brushes. They're very useful and you can never have too many brushes. Okay, for now I'm going to grab this color right here and I'm going to place it next to the white one. First, I pack it on and I don't worry too much about the blending part because I really want the color to go as intense as it can possibly go. Okay, now I'm going to flip it and I'm going to use this side. This is an Urban Decay brush that came with the palettes that I don't even use. But I'm going to grab it and take this orange right here. I'm going to place it next to the yellow one. Now I'm just going to grab this brush from Luxie Brushes and it's the 227. I'm going to grab this color right here and I'm going to place it next to that orange and in between that brown outer part. And again, I don't worry too much about blending it first. I want to pack it on so it can go as intense as it can. Okay, I'm going to grab all the brushes I used and now I'm going to go back and kind of blend them together, the colors. And I'm going to be using this eyeliner that I also received in last month's BoxyCharm. And on the eyeliner, it says Beauty for Real. So I think that's the name of the brand. But I don't think I've ever used a liquid eyeliner that looks like a marker. So far I do like the eyeliner. Okay, so I went ahead and I put eyelashes on and the eyelashes I'm wearing are from Pearl Lashes in the style Pinko G. I probably wear these lashes all the time. These are my favorite lashes. Okay, so for my face, I'm going to be using this Luminizer primer from Dr. Brandt. Okay, so I bought this Wet n Wild foundation. It's in the color Soft Beige. I've never tried it, so I really like their other foundation, the one that comes in like a bottle. Like, I really like that one. So I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. And I'm just using this brush from Real Techniques. I'm gonna be using this contour brush from Luxie Brushes, and it's the 512 small contour brush. And I'm gonna be using the Anastasia contour kit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush and this Tea Rose from Milani. So for my highlight, I'm gonna be taking Summer Haze by Artist Couture, and I was really happy when I saw that we're gonna get a highlight, because I really do like the Artist Couture highlights, because they have sent one in the past, which was, it's my go at the moment. It's like my go-to highlight, and it has been ever since I received it. And the other one is more gold tone. I feel this one is more nude or pinkish. I don't know how to describe it. I suck at describing shit, honestly. So the lipstick I'm gonna be applying is by Ofra, and this is in the color Venice. I'm gonna be using this Spray Set Go by Project Beauty. And you literally have to put it this far away from you, because it squirts at you like big time. And I really didn't like this foundation. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but like, I can see myself up close. Like, my nose, my under eyes, they just look dewy, I guess. And it's like very dewy that my powder, even though I applied powder over it, when I applied my contour, there was a patch right here, like if it had removed the foundation. So I'm gonna grab some glitter glue and a brush, and I'm gonna apply some on my inner corner, and I'm gonna be applying glitter. From this palette, I'm gonna grab this right here, and that is 24K Magic. That's what it's called, and I'm gonna place that in my inner corner where I applied the glitter glue. Hopefully it doesn't go all over my face. Okay, it went on very nicely, and it didn't go all over my face. Okay, all I have to do is my hair, and I'll be right back.